Do you brush your teeth every day, use mouthwash, floss, and still feel like your oral health isn't improving? Bleeding gums, bad breath that won't go away, and sensitive teeth, even after all the effort? What if the real problem isn't in your routine, but in your mouth's good bacteria? Hi, I'm Sophia, and today I'm going to tell you all about ProDentim. It's a unique formula that's been helping thousands of people restore their oral health in a completely new and natural way. But before we go on, here's a quick and important alert. ProDentim is only sold on the official website. If you see this product on online marketplaces or other sites, be careful. It could be fake. For your safety, the only trusted link is right below in this video's description. For your safety, the only trusted link is right below in this video's description. Now, what exactly is ProDentim and why is it different? ProDentim is not just another toothpaste or mouthwash, it's a powerful probiotic supplement developed by dental health experts that repopulates your mouth with beneficial bacteria, protecting your gums, teeth, and breath from the inside out. Instead of killing all bacteria like most products, ProDentim brings balance back to your oral microbiome, which is essential for long-term dental health. Here are some of the main benefits reported by users: healthier gums and teeth, fresher breath, naturally reduced sensitivity and inflammation, protection against cavities and oral infections, a confident, cleaner smile every day, and it's super easy to use. Just let one tablet melt in your mouth every morning, preferably after brushing your teeth. There's no need to swallow, just let it dissolve naturally so the probiotics go to work. Thousands of people have already approved ProDentim. Jason, 52, said his gums stopped bleeding in less than 2 weeks. Linda, 60, shared that her breath improved so much her husband actually noticed the difference right away. And the best part? There's absolutely no risk to try. ProDentim comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't feel the results, just ask for a refund. No questions asked. But don't wait too long. Stock is limited, and the 3 and 6 bottle kits are selling out fast. These kits include exclusive discounts and free shipping, but they can disappear any moment. So don't leave your oral health for later. Click the link in the description now and go straight to the official ProDentim website. Place your order with full confidence and take care of your smile with those who truly understand dental health. Encapsulate USA, health on another level, real results.